If your water heater is acting up, you might consider DIY repairs. However, Gold Star Plumbing and Drain recommends leaving water heater repair to professionals for several reasons. Risk of further damage. Attempting repairs without plumbing or electrical experience can lead to more complex issues instead of fixing the original problem. Safety hazards. Water heaters have high voltage components that can be dangerous. Forgetting to turn off the gas or encountering live wires can lead to accidents. Costly mistakes. DIY repairs often lead to repeat fixes, making it more expensive in the long run. Hiring specialists ensures the job is done right the first time. Contact Gold Star Plumbing and Drain today at 480-300-4007 for reliable tankless water heater replacements or repairs.